Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything About Accounting. We've talked about revenue, the money coming in. Now, let's look at a key expense directly related to that revenue: cost of goods sold. In simple terms, cost of goods sold represents the direct costs attributable to the production of the goods sold by a company. This includes the cost of raw materials, direct labor involved in production, and other direct manufacturing overhead costs. Think back to our lemonade stand. The cost of the lemons, sugar, and the cups that were actually used to make and sell the lemonade would be included in the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is a crucial figure because it's directly subtracted from revenue on the income statement to calculate gross profit. Understanding cost of goods sold helps businesses determine the profitability of their products or services before considering other operating expenses. For service-based businesses which don't sell physical goods, the concept of cost of goods sold might not be directly applicable, or it might include the direct costs associated with providing the service. Tracking cost of goods sold accurately is important for inventory management, pricing decisions, and overall financial analysis. So, to summarize, cost of goods sold includes the direct costs associated with producing the goods that a company sells. It's a key component in calculating gross profit on the income statement. There you have it, cost of goods sold explained in under 90 seconds. Are you starting to see how the income statement flows? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy accounting lessons. What should we explore next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.